During the government shutdown, Head Start programs were in crisis mode. A delay in grant money made many of the vital programs close down across the nation. While programs in Pennsylvania and New York continued, WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp shares the hardship one Head Start faced during the shutdown.
We're a very rural community and we're very small, so daycare options are very limited.
Renee Pertilli is with the Gogebic-Ontonagon Community Action Agency. It's in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. They help about 115 children ages 0 to 5 years old and pregnant women with their Head Start and Early Head Start programs. It's a federally funded program for children from low-income families to help with early childhood education, provide several meals a day, and provide resources and help to soon-to-be parents. But as the government shutdown dragged on and their grant money didn't come, this program, along with several others across the nation, had to close their doors. Staff scrambled to help make sure kids, families, and their staff were cared for, even without the federal dollars.
We did have staff that offered to provide daycare either in their home or the family's home. So that worked out well because staff was on unemployment. So they picked up some of the kids and cared for them for the families. And the other ones, said they had a couple options. One of our sites is located at a church here, and they petitioned their parishioners, and we received food cards for anyone, any families or staff that needed that. We did have staff that were on unemployment, so we were creating a list for staff and families of available food pantries.
They are still waiting on their November grant, but they've been able to reopen by securing funds from the agency that gives them grants.
Which is very helpful because our families are, we're just starting last week to share that they had some needs regarding, food and things like that.
Congress approved of a short-term spending measure that will run through the end of January. If Congress goes through another shutdown after that, Pertilli says their grants after January will be processed, giving them the chance to keep their doors open, even if the government is closed.
I hope this doesn't happen to anyone else because it was a challenge.
In Washington, Rachel Knapp, WENY News.